right? Great.
Well, say that again.
Well, can you hear me well?
I can hear you.
Okay, so it's the second time to join.
This is our second time. Yeah, we really enjoyed it last time, and the food was great. So
Great.
we thought this is such a great way to raise money for the PTA and try some new foods.
Cooking class for English speakers every Monday.
Right.
So yeah,
we'll check it out.
yes. And then before starting, I will check yours preparation. Are you enjoying the food? Are you enjoying cooking?
Enjoying.
Great! You're not afraid to eat veggies. There are a lot of veggies in noodle. You know, usually Korean dish has a lot of veggies in there. You don't be afraid. It's delicious.
Tell her you like veggies.
I like
What?
veggies.
Great.
I like veggies here.
Great! Wonderful. Hey, hi!
We can say
This is my son Young. Hi. Turn it off. And this one is a sesame oil. Last minute, adding a sesame oil. I'm all done. Can you see? That's it's a big dish. Oh my goodness!
Question?
Yes, sure.
If I do want to add shrimp, when should I put it in?
If you defrost the frozen shrimp, okay, with the veggie together.
With the veggies. Okay,
Yeah,
I don't have
with
to
the
pre-cook it.
Yeah,
It'll just steam with everything else.
yes.
Perfect.
Awesome. Okay.